Hello, my name is Teresa. I am 24 years old and I just finished my BSW degree at Widener. So I'm very excited to be able to continue my educational career at Widener. Although as of right now I do not have a field placement, I'm currently employed at Children's Hospital of Philadelphia where I'm employed as a sitter. As a sitter, I float to all units around the hospital while sitting one-on-one with patients who have experienced issues such as suicidal ideation, eating disorders, intellectual and physical disabilities, and more. I also just got done interning at Virtua Our Lady of Lourdes, where I was on the rehab floor. I very much enjoyed that internship because it was a nice change of setting from working with pediatrics to working with more older adults and younger adults. So it was a nice change of setting. Throughout this course, I hope to be able to better understand the effects and outcomes caused by trauma and the interventions used to assist clients to the best of my ability. I would also like to better understand the root cause of trauma and how that really affects an individual and also the people around them. Studying trauma is relevant to my future career because my goal is to work with those diagnosed with mental health disorders such as eating disorders. I find this relevant to trauma because many mental health disorders have triggers from traumas experienced from the past or present that affect the activities of daily life. And I feel like when it comes to mental health, many people just think of just what's going on inside the head, but they don't understand what's also going on physically with the individual. So I think it's very important to really look at the whole issue instead of just the mental health, because the mental health, just like, for example, with eating disorders, it's a mental health disease, but it causes a lot of physical damage, and that affects a lot of the activities of daily life. 3 ways to take care of myself this semester are to take daily walks, to stay active, to help mentally and physically, eating a healthier diet, and staying motivated and productive with school since working from home, there's a lot of distractions. So just to stay focused. And yeah, that's about it. Hope to meet y'all soon.